Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending AI couple photo using Gemini. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open gemini.google.com, or you can open up Gemini app, and then you're going to create new chat on Gemini. You can select new chat here, and then you can upload your photos to Gemini. You can click on this plus icon to upload your photos, but before it guys, you need to choose Nano banana feature in Gemini shown by this banana icon, and then you're going to upload your photos. You can upload your photo with your partner, and I'm just going to use this photo and also this one. Okay, and then you're going to upload it guys. Wait, I'm gonna change it to this one. Alright, and I'm going to click on open, and now the photos are being uploaded, and then you can add this prompt. Okay, and then I'm going to send the prompt and also the photos to Gemini, and the Gemini will create AI photo for us. And you can modify the prompt guys. For example, you can change the color. For this prompt, I make the women using pink blazer. Okay, but you can change it, and for the vibes as well, you can change it according to your needs. Okay, and this is the result. Yeah, that's so cute. And if you want to download it, just click on this download icon and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create trending AI couple photo using Gemini. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.